to another video, and in today's video, of course, I'm gonna show you how to create this lovely look, except from the makeup, of course. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Now, if you are my first time subscriber, thank you for subscribing and joining the family. What's up, guys? Alright, so as you can see, I've already gone in and elastic band my hair. Well, I just took down a style a while ago. I had it in like for what, 1 week? And I'm gonna attempt to do the butterfly locs back. So yes, so the things you need are some mousse, and of course you're gonna need your edge control, whatever edge control you use, and you're gonna need the scissors, because of course I'm gonna do the bob style. I'm not doing anything too long, so you're gonna need the scissors for that. You might gonna need a lighter. At the end of the video, I'll show you what to do with the lighter. You're gonna need, so guys, I had these in a passion twist style. You see me in the previous video in it, only for a week. So I'm just gonna use this here to wrap the outside of the lock. And I'm going to use expression braiding here for the anchor of the lock. Alright, so let's jump straight into the video. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to start the back. I'm going to do the entire back, and then I'm going to come back and show you the front. So this is how here is looking at the moment. Some of them are a bit long, some are a bit short, but guess what? You don't have to let them look perfect. They're locks, of course. So this is that. So I'm just gonna complete the front of the hair. Well, I should do this one and this. Alright, so here we go. So we're gonna put the hook through the loop to the root of the hair, and you're going to grab an anchor here, which is the braiding hair, or whatever hair you have, you can use. You don't need to spend a lot of money to achieve these hairstyles, because I don't. So just pull this through, and you can make it the length of any length you want to have. So I'm just gonna pull on the rubber band a little bit. Don't want it too tight, because I'm gonna have to go through again with the hook. And there we go. Now you're gonna grab your hair that you're going to use to cover this hair. I'm gonna pull through. Don't wanna leave a piece to go with this piece, and then you're gonna grab. So I don't wanna leave a lot there, so I'm just gonna go in. There we go. So I'm just gonna start to wrap, and you wanna wrap in the direction that you're comfortable in wrapping in, and I'm gonna go over the root for a couple of, like 4 times, just to ensure that it's secure. 3. I'm gonna go 3. Here we go, and then we're gonna go the last one. Alright, so here we go. So you're gonna wrap loosely going down. So to create your butterfly or those little loops, you wanna put your thumb, your thumb right here. You're gonna loop the hair over it on the up top, And then you're gonna remove your finger and you're gonna go below loop. I'm gonna do one more, but I gotta add a piece more here first. So I want my hair to look messy, but not that messy. I just want it to look like locks overall. So I'm just gonna wrap this some more. Go. Alright, so I'm gonna add a piece more here. So you wanna leave this piece here, and you wanna put the next piece that you're gonna add directly on top. Now you wanna hold this extra piece here, and you're just gonna wrap the piece that you're wrapping first tightly, but try 2 times, and then I'm gonna continue wrapping with this piece. See how easily that was added. Alright.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I don't want it to go up too much, so I'm just gonna bend this back like so, and I'm going to start to wrap the hair up wide. Alright, so it's not finished wrap. I'm gonna grab a
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
You wanna grab your hair, you gotta put it on the lock. Shit. And you get to know that. That here that you're gonna use to wrap or cover your locks, and you wanna put it down, and you're gonna put this piece with this piece, look some more. So now you can far I am now. I have what, 1 and 2 left to do. So I'm just gonna do these 2 and then I'm out of my head for good.